Good afternoon, engineer and classmates. I'm going to present the topic of my article, which is the topic enterprise design pattern. In, enterprise design pattern. Enterprise design pattern are proven architectural solutions to common challenges in business applications development, first cataloged by Martin Fowler in Patterns of Enterprise Application Architecture and POEAA. These patterns address data access complexity, business logic organization, and transactions management and layer isolation. Unlike general purpose design patterns, only four, these especially target the unique scalability and maintainability and integration needs of enterprise systems. And, and number one, domain model. Domain model problem business rules become scattered and duplicated. Solution encapsulate logic in rich domain objects used when complex validation rules and frequently changing business requirements. In, in this small example, number two, data mapper problem and domain objects get polluted with database code in solution isolate persistence logic in mapper classes used when ORMs don't fit your needs and you need explicit control over persistence. Um, and this is a small example with class employee mapper. And number three is service layer and problem business workflows span multiple objects and solution coordinate operations in a dedicated service and use when transactions cross aggregate boundaries. External systems need a clear API. In this small example, class transfer service. And for lazy load problem, loading all data up from is inefficient and solution differ loading until needed. Used when dealing with large objects graphs. Performance optimization is a critical. Um, in the small example with class order and, and items. And finally, in conclusions, why these patterns matter. And pattern domain model reduces code duplication, enables business rule centralization, and data mapper reduces persistence coupling and enables database flexibility and pattern service layer use case scattering enables clear workflow boundaries and pattern lazy load memory waste reduces memory waste enables on-demand loading and patterns are not recipes to follow blindly but tools to apply judiciously adapt from POEAA and this small example with Python. and service layer. In this code, in this code, the main model and service layer with improved error handling. The problem we solved before the service layer, our code had two big issues. Slow performance, it used exceptions, uh, crashing errors to handle normal cases, insufficient fonts. Messy banking rules were scattered everywhere, making updates risky. And the service layer fix uh, centralize rules all transfer logic lives in one place. Transfer service uh, boost speed. The use simple true and false check ends hit of slow exceptions. Stay reliable. Failed transfers just return false. No crashes. And action and implementation action. This and this room performance test in action proof this speed handles our 112,000 transfers per second, ideal for real world banking. All pass all checks, normal transfer work. Insufficient funds fail gracefully and never exceeds the retry limits. And 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 this all for action. And why this matters? Now we have a maintainable code, the rules, and easy to find and update. Enterprise ready speed process over 100,000 transactions per second. And no surprises, clear and true or false outcomes replace hidden exceptions. And that's all with presentation. Thanks.